Pom-Pom making. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Purple Tulip Workshop, where you learn your stitches and stitch to create with love. I'm your host Shipra, and I'll be taking you through a series of videos on different types of stitches and projects. Okay, so we're gonna make our pom-pom now. I'm going to be using, I've got this small ball of yarn, leftover yarn. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my hands. So I'm just going to take my rings off. And I'm going to be wrapping the yarn on the widest part of my hand. And I'm going to wrap it somewhere around 200 times because I like my pom-poms to be full. So I'm going to just keep on wrapping it for 200 times. And I'm just going to come back once I've done 200 times, and I'll just come back and I'll show you how to go forward from there. So I'm back. I've got 200 rounds of this yarn. Now I'm going to pull this yarn off my hand very carefully, and you're just going to leave it like this. I'm going to get a strand of the same yarn, and then we'll just put it right in the center there, and we're going to place in a knot. I'm going to tighten up this knot. I'm going to place in another knot on top of that knot to lock it. I'm going to place in another knot on top of that. Make sure the previous knot is really tight. Hold the knot down with a thumb, and then you can pull this one in. And if you want, you can just take the yarn around and place another knot on the other side. Tighten this up. Place in another knot. There we go. Now we're going to get hold of our scissors, and we're going to start cutting the joints. So we're going to just place in our scissors like this and start cutting the joints. So you can just open up your pom-pom and just see if you still have some strands which are still not cut up, and you can just split them up. I think I've got nearly all of them here. Yeah. So we're going to go on the other side now, and you're gonna now cut this side as well. We still have a few left here. I think we got all of them now. Now the original strand that we tied the pom-pom with, this is the original strand. I would do a shake up. So you see, they all come into a nice neat place, and we just keep a hold on to the pom-pom from the original strands, and we can now neaten up the pom-pom. So just with your eye, just see if you have some long strands, you can just chop them up, cut them up like this. just shake up your pom-pom a bit. So we have a few over here. So I'm going to pause my video and I'll just come back once I've neatened up the edges on this pom-pom, and I'll show you the finished product. I'm back and I have my pom-pom ready. So this is the finished product. If you can just shake around your pom-pom and just see if you still see any uneven edges, uneven yarn coming out. You can just snip it up. So like, I think mine is done. So this is how I like to make my pom-poms. I like to make them by hand. If you like this video, then do give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel from the link below and click on to the bell icon for the latest updates. Take care for now. Bye bye.